So today we were gonna retrofit these spotlights for new LED ones. This is the old light, 50 watt, low voltage one. As you can see, you know, look at that fire damage. It gets so hot. You can run at 50 watts, you can run 10 new LED ones off one of these. So you can run all these lights for the same power it would take to run this one. And there's no heat build up either. So the hole is about 70 mil, but the new fitting 75. So what we got this special arbor so you can cut the new hole out without making any damage. And here's a new light. So it's mains voltage, and then it will just have an LED GU10 in it. Bright white, because it's quite dark in this kitchen. Only got 8 spotlights. We're also going to replace these bulkhead lights that have stopped working as well.